Welcome, fellow Arabic language enthusiasts. If you're watching this, you're likely a dedicated student seeking a transformative learning and cultural experience. I'm Reese Hollister, also known as Historical Method Man, and today we're diving into the SALAM Study Abroad program in the Sultanate of Oman. Join me as we delve into the details of the SALAM program. This fully funded scholarship opportunity offers you an immersive Arabic language experience while exploring Omani history and culture. You'll participate in this intensive language program at the respected Sultan Qaboos College for teaching Arabic to non-native speakers in Manah, Oman. Let's discuss the eligibility requirements. To apply, you must be a U.S. citizen and currently enrolled in an undergraduate, MA, or PhD program. By the end of the spring semester, you should have completed at least 4 semesters of university-level Arabic coursework. Additionally, ensure that your passport remains valid for 6 months after the program concludes. Let's demystify the application process. Getting started with your application involves a few steps. You'll submit a resume, 3 letters of recommendation, including one from an Arabic language professor, unofficial transcripts, and 3 essays. The first essay asks you to outline your goals within the SALAM program and how it aligns with your academic and career aspirations, about 500 to 750 words. After that, you will reflect on a cross-cultural encounter, either abroad or within the U.S. Describe your experiences, challenges, and resolutions in around 200 words. Third, you will write a short 175-word essay in Arabic to introduce yourself to the SALAM program staff, discussing your personal and professional interests. Let's explore the core of the program, the curriculum. Engage with dedicated Arabic instructors who will guide you through levels B1, B2, or C1, catering towards intermediate to advanced Arabic language learners. You will delve into grammar, listening, writing, vocabulary, and reading. Expect daily homework, averaging about 30 to 60 minutes. Notably, the SALAM program employs proprietary learning materials, departing from traditional language books like the Al-Kitab series. Cultural exchange. There are immense opportunities for cultural exchange. Immerse yourself in local culture through the Omani Language Partner Initiative. You'll collaborate with university students, primarily from the University of Nizwa, for enlightening exchanges beyond the classroom. There is also the guest house. Envision yourself residing in the guest house, a brief walk away from the school. You will enjoy double occupancy rooms, 3 daily meals, convenient on-site laundry, and separate gyms for men and women. There are often trips to the Nizwa Grand Mall to get anything for your daily needs. Your weekends are packed with enriching excursions to various cities and landmarks. Highlights include an overnight stay in Muscat, Oman's vibrant capital. You will explore Nizwa's bustling markets, enjoy a swim in Falaj Daris, and uncover the treasures of Bahla's UNESCO-listed Bahla Fort. Oman is also famous for its ecotourism. Experience Oman's captivating landscapes during a trip to Sharqiya. You'll have the opportunity to swim in Wadi Beni Khalid and Wadi Tiwi, and witness the remarkable Bimma sinkhole. An overnight stay at the Ras Al Jins Resort will allow you to witness the nesting of green sea turtles. Later in the journey, you will discover Muscat's attractions. You'll visit the Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque, explore the Royal Opera House and Music Museum, and meander through the Souk Matra. An overnight stay at a hotel will provide the perfect ending to your adventure. One free weekend, my friends and I traveled to Jebel Shams to hike in and around the 2nd largest canyon on Earth. Others drove to Salalah, while some others visited Muscat. In closing, I encourage you to seize this exceptional opportunity. The SALAM Study Abroad program promises not just a mastery of Arabic, but also an unforgettable journey through Oman's culture, history, and scenic wonders. Don't miss your chance to broaden your horizons and experience the world in a whole new light. Embrace the adventure and let the SALAM program be your passport to unparalleled growth and exploration. If you have any questions about this program, please feel free to email Jinan Mahmood at the Sultan Qaboos Cultural Center in Washington, D.C. If you're a British student, there are similar programs run by the Anglo-Omani Society. Please check out their website in the description below. If you have any questions about this program, please feel free to reach out to me, Reese Hollister, at any time. My contact information is inside the description.